Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Linksys router admin page, fast access step by step clearly. To log into your Linksys router admin page, start by ensuring your router is powered on. Connect your computer or mobile device to the router's network. You can connect via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Open a web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in the default IP address for Linksys routers, which is usually 192.168.1.1. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will see the Linksys login screen. Here, enter the default username and password. If you haven't changed them, the default username is typically left blank. The default password is often admin. If your login details have been changed and you don't remember them, you may need to reset your router. To reset the router, find the Reset button, usually located on the back. Hold the Reset button for about 10 seconds until the lights on the router blink. After resetting, repeat the previous steps to log in using the default credentials. Once logged in, you will have access to the router admin page. From here, you can manage settings like Wi-Fi credentials, security options, and connected devices. Make sure to change the default username and password for improved security. Now you're ready to configure your Linksys router settings easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.